Taking the reins of government. The reins of power are up for grabs. As America prepares for 2025, a new plan is emerging, one that seeks to reshape the presidency and the way the U.S. government operates from the inside out. This is Project 2025. At the heart of this plan is a fundamental idea: political appointees, loyalists to the president's agenda, must take over the key roles within the government. According to Rick Dearborn, former Deputy Chief of Staff under President Trump, this is how true political change is made. The importance of loyalty. Dearborn argues that empowering political appointees across the administration is crucial to a president's success. He points out that President Trump, in his first term, failed to fill enough of these positions with loyalists. In Project 2025, they vow not to make the same mistake. Project 2025 sets out to fill over 4,000 political jobs, including 1,000 positions that require Senate confirmation, all with individuals aligned with the conservative vision. This isn't just about qualifications. It's about ideological loyalty. Restructuring the White House. Dearborn highlights the critical role of the White House Chief of Staff, who oversees the National Economic Council, Domestic Policy Council, and National Security Council. These positions, according to Project 2025, must reflect the president's agenda, down to the very last detail. One of the most important figures in this reshaped White House? The White House Counsel. Dearborn calls for selecting someone more of an activist than a traditional lawyer, someone ready to guide the president through uncharted legal territory, and reverse the policies of previous administrations. Legal strategy and media control. But Dearborn doesn't stop there. He suggests that the president should open the door to outside conservative legal advisors, bypassing the traditional decision-making channels between the White House counsel, the Attorney General, and the Deputy Attorney General. This move, according to critics, could pave the way for a significant expansion of executive power. And the media. According to Project 2025, the administration should rethink its relationship with the White House Correspondents Association. Dearborn hints at limiting mainstream media access to the White House, creating room for alternative conservative outlets to take center stage. Under President Trump, conservative media often received privileged access at press conferences. In Project 2025, this strategy may be expanded further, creating a media landscape shaped to favor the administration's agenda. 25. Approaching. As 2025 approaches, one question remains: if Republicans come into power again, will Project 2025 mark the beginning of a new era in American politics, or is it a dangerous path toward unprecedented presidential power? Subscribe and join us as we continue to explore the future of America's government and the political forces shaping our nation.